So most people have heard of gap insurance and think that it's just another one of those things the car salesman tries to sell you when you buy a new vehicle, along with things like extended warranties. So if you're thinking about denying or not taking gap insurance, let's give it a little bit more thought. Gap insurance is optional coverage, and it comes into play if your car is totaled. So remember, if your car is totaled, the at-fault insurance company only has to provide or give you the actual cash value of the vehicle. Now, the actual cash value may not be what you owe on the vehicle. Those things they're two separate things. You may owe more on the vehicle than the actual cash value of it, and we call that being underwater. So that's when gap coverage comes into play. Basically, gap covers the difference between the actual cash value of the vehicle, which you're getting from the insurance company, and the amount you actually owe on your auto loan. So that's the gap that it covers. So it could be quite useful in some situations of total loss. So remember, you don't need gap if you're sure that the actual cash value of your vehicle is more than what you owe on it. So if your loan is $10,000 and the actual cash value of your vehicle is $15,000, then gap would never come into play and you probably would not need that. But remember, once you drive that car off the lot, it depreciates extremely quickly. So keep that into consideration. So if you didn't purchase gap originally and are now rethinking that, that's okay. You may want to ask your dealership about that if it's still available to you, or even talk to whoever does your auto insurance. So if you've been in an accident and have questions about gap insurance and how it works, give us a call and schedule a free and confidential consultation at 985-590-6182.